Yeah, good day, everybody. I hope we all have a wonderful and beautiful day today. I want to quickly give us a brief update concerning SOMAS. Today, I want to update us on what is going on SOMAS today. Many of us might have seen this post, but I still just want to emphasize on it once again to give us more clarification about what is going on in SOMAS. So I'll be going through what I have posted here to throw more light to it. Number one point here is, do you know that you can't buy cheap or promotional shares Igniter 100 again after February 2021? So the emphasis here is that after February 2021, you can't buy Igniter 100 again. Why? Because the company has been able to sell the 490 million shares to the public. So the number of shares that the company has that they have earmarked to be sold has been completed. So as a result of that, by February ending, they will close selling of shares in Igniter 100. So listing of the shares on London Stock Exchange market begins on 1st of March 2021. So the processing of listing of Igniter 100 on London Stock Exchange market begins on the 1st of March 2021. If you are still interested in holding Igniter 100 share, then you have now until the end of February. Buy your packages or your package or top up fast before it becomes too late. So there's a time frame that you can do that now. You have between now and February ending to buy your package or to top up to upgrade or to buy more of Igniter 100. So after on the 28th, you won't be able to do so again. After February, you can only buy it from London Stock Exchange market, which will be expensive. So if you still want to buy, know that you will not get it to buy, but after February you can only get it to buy on the London Stock Exchange market, and by then you'll be buying at the current price. That could be maybe maybe £6 then. So to get it at pence, this is the time for you to come on board and buy yours. Imagine me selling one share at over 1,000 to you. That is to tell you that at that very time, the price of one share of Igniter 100 would have gone up skyrocketedly. So if you want to buy, this is the time for you to come on board. Now we are the shareholders. We are the future millionaire. That is exactly what it is. Because at the time they enter into stock exchange, a lot of millionaires will be made. Some of us might not really know who we are right now, but at the time they enter into stock exchange market, then the real value of what you are holding will come up. Then point number 2, Igniter 200 shares is coming live. So a new phase is coming up, which is called Igniter 200. The company will start selling promotional shares of Igniter 200 to the public starting date 1st of March 2021. So a new product is coming up called Igniter 200, and they will begin the sales of the share by 1st of March. So get yourself ready, get yourself prepared, look for money so that you can also buy now, because they are going to sell at a cheaper rate. Some of us that could not start when Igniter 100 started, when they were selling it at 1 pence, we have opportunity now to join on Igniter 200 to buy at a cheaper rate. The question is that, will you buy some? Are you sure? Igniter 100 you can buy now. Now 200, meaning that if you cannot buy Igniter 100 now, is it 200 you want to buy? So make all effort to ensure that you participated. Get yourself prepared. Get yourself prepared. Don't be left behind. Opportunity, they says, come but once. But Igniter 100 is going and Igniter 200 is coming up. This is a big opportunity for every one of us to be part of it. If you have ever desired an opportunity to rewrite your financial story, Igniter 100 stroke Igniter 200 is a platform for you to do that. So I just want to use this video to encourage us to get ourselves prepared, get ourselves ready, and if you want to top up now before it will be too late. So that is what I just want to share with us. Thank you very much.